Hi! I want to give you a warm welcome to Miss Lollipop DIY. Today, I'm in the favorite place of everyone, the kitchen. And I'm going to decorate it for Valentine's. Stay with me to the end so you can get some ideas. Let's get into it. Yippee! First of all, I'm going to start with that corner over there where I have my rice cooker. I'm going to use the cake stand. It is a present from my neighbor. She moved on and she gave it to me before she left. On top of it, I'm just going to put this simple jar, a clear one that I got in a thrift shop. And I just put a rose there. This was a present that I got from one student. I'm just going to put it here. And in front of it, I'm going to put this a wagon that says "Have a sweet Valentine's Day." This is from Dollar General. Just in front of it. Then with that one, I have this tray. It's also from my neighbor. I love the design that it has. I'm gonna put it right here near the cake stand. Okay, and there, near that, I'm gonna put "True Love Never Ends" in a towel just to cover this space right here, to cover that space. So on top of the tray, I'm gonna put my oils, if the regular oil, the vegetable one, and the olive oil. I'm just gonna put it on the tray. And in front of it, I'm going to put the love sign, "Love you, $1. This one is from Dollar General. Okay, so that's simple. I'm going to leave that corner. Now I'm going to do this corner of the stove. So I'm going to put the set of knives, and I only put a ribbon and a heart to give the touch of Valentine's. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this cake stand. This cake stand is from TJ Maxx, $9.99, and I got it last year. On top of that cake stand, I'm gonna put this knob from Dollar Tree. Okay. And in front of it, I'm gonna put another truck that says "Hugs and Kisses, Fast and Free Delivery." I said before that this was from Dollar General. Both of them are from Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna put it right here on the front of it. And this, okay, this is only for decoration. It's a small one. This is from Hobby Lobby. I'm just gonna put it in front of it also. Then I'm gonna put this love sign. I got it last year, and I just spray painted silver and put this heart lace around it for last year. This year I add these two hearts, and I add in the back pink tissue paper, and I want to put it right here to cover that switch that we have there. And in front of it, this is part of the set that the neighbor gave it to me, and I love the design. So I'm just gonna put it right in front of it, right there. That is the other corner of the stove. And in front of the stove, I'm gonna just add this towel. It's a set of 2, and this one, the red one, this one I only have one of the red one, so I'm going to just put it here on the stove. Like that. I just want to add this a green towel right here in the corner, so it can have the green touch and it matches to the other side. So right there on that corner, I'm gonna put this heart that I got on Dollar Tree, a beads one, and I just add only a lace ribbon also from Dollar Tree. Just put it there. In the sink, I just keep these vases for the soap dishes that says you are a blessing, and this one that says wash your hands, say your prayers, because Jesus and germs are everywhere. I just love this message. Both of them, I got it about 2 years ago in DD's discount. And my sponge, I just keep it very simple. I always keep also this pig here that I got it in a thrift shop with a brush. Okay, so here on the top, I have a space right there. So in that space in the top, I'm gonna put another truck from Dollar Tree, loads of love, special delivery. Okay, and a small gnome, also from Dollar Tree. And this beauty that I got it in TJ Maxx last year. Okay, in this corner, I just keep this coffee maker. It's an old coffee maker, but my husband preferred that one. And the paper towel holder. Right there you can see my Alexa. I'm just gonna put this cake stand. Is also another one that my neighbor gave it to me when she left. Is the green, so that's what I'm giving some touches of green. This is a tree that I DIY here on my channel. I'm just gonna put it right here. In the side of it, I'm gonna put this small jar, and I just put beads filler and the small flowers. This jar is $1 from Walmart. Just gonna put it there. And on top of the cake stand, to give a little bit of touch, I'm just gonna put this beads. It's a package that I got Dollar Tree. It has kisses and hearts, and also clear beads. And a hand towel. That's simple. In my refrigerator, I just put a hand towel also. It's the same one that I put here that says Be Wine. It's a set of 2. And in the top, I put this love sign with a heart Those also from Dollar Tree. And in the top of it, I put this signs that says family tree, gather in place, you are welcome here. And this beautiful tree, I have it from Christmas, and I just left those small bowl ornaments that you see there, the white and the silver one, and I just add some heart ornaments from Dollar Tree. I got I think it was like 4 packages of it, and I really love how it looks. Then my sign kitchen right there, and in the top of the microwave I always have my charts there, and I put on this sign that says love you more, sweetheart. Very simple.
Thanks for watching the video to the end. I hope that you like it and get some ideas. Make sure to subscribe. I want to see you the next time. Kisses and hugs. Bye.